In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make $100 per day promoting Amazon affiliate links on TikTok. Included in this video will be examples of people that are doing it right now and how you can get started relatively fast. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell notification so you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, if you want my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. Now, as you know, there is so much opportunity over on TikTok. The reason being is TikTok's algorithm is still relatively new and there's not a ton of content on the platform. So you actually get put in front of a wide variety of people that didn't know they had a problem, didn't know that there was a solution, and you can use that in conjunction with Amazon to start making passive income relatively fast. So what I want to do is I want to show you a few different ways that you can upload content, start generating some passive income, and really take advantage of the TikTok algorithm. One really important thing to note is that Amazon requires that you have a blog, website, app, or YouTube channel in order to gain full acceptance into their partner program. So what I recommend that you do is create a few videos. They can be TikTok videos cross-posted into your YouTube channel to show Amazon that your account is active. All right, so here's an example of a TikTok account that is promoting Amazon affiliate links. As you can see, they have over 2.3 million followers. Their account is called Top Online Finds, and basically they just upload different things that they find over on Amazon. And then when you click this link here, it's a bit link, a shortened URL. It takes you to a series of websites. One of the top websites is Amazon Storefront. The second one is TikTok Products. Now, what will happen is when you click on any of these and you buy the product, they get paid a commission. As you can see here, they have a list of products that they have found over on Amazon, and they can potentially get paid a commission when you buy the product. I just want to say that this is amazing marketing for the simple fact that you don't realize that this is an advertising or affiliate marketing in action. They are simply sharing their life or sharing things that they're finding, and they're promoting it with Amazon affiliate links. It's really, really good advertising and marketing, and this is how you can do it too. The first and most direct way is simply to buy a product and give a review over on TikTok. For example, let's say you purchase the Amazon Fire Stick. You could simply create a series of TikTok videos where you are talking about the pros and cons of this Fire Stick. And then you could provide a link in the bio of your TikTok account. When people click on that link and buy the product or any product within 24 hours, you get paid a commission. Another option is doing comparison videos. So you could do Amazon Fire Stick versus a Chromecast, why you should buy a Fire Stick versus a Chromecast. If you do simple 5 bullet points, people will see that you're adding value. They'll click the link in your description or bio to learn more about the Amazon Fire Stick. And then once again, if they buy a product or any product within 24 hours, you get paid a commission. The second way is simply to borrow someone else's videos or images. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search Fire Stick into Google, Fire Stick TV, and we're basically looking for images and videos revolving this piece of content. Oftentimes, the manufacturer will create marketing material, marketing videos and images, and you could simply record your screen or download it to your phone, and you can do a voiceover where you're talking about the 5 benefits of the Roku streaming stick or the Amazon Fire Stick. You do that 3 or 4 times per day, and then you tell people to click the link in your bio to learn more about the Fire Stick, and then you can start getting paid a commission. Another option is simply just reading product descriptions straight from Amazon. So if we jumped over to Amazon.com and we search Fire Stick 4K, you can go down to the product description and simply read the product, and you'll start getting traction. You could say something as simple as 5 things you didn't know about the Fire Stick, or five features that Amazon didn't want you to know. When you build curiosity about that, when you build curiosity around a product, people are going to stick around, they're going to listen to the video, they're going to click on the link and potentially buy the product. So doing 5 facts or 5 features or 5 secrets or 5 tips can start generating interest, leads, and sales relatively quickly. Another option is using a combination of Canva and a free image and video site like Pexels to create videos. So what we're going to do, I'm here in Canva and I'm just going to type in TikTok. They already have a default video platform for your TikTok videos. What we can do here is we can create a blank one if we want. We can go over to a website like Pexels and we can type in, let's say TV. We can show someone watching TV or a TV ad. and then we could have the TV suddenly stop. You could say, are you in the market for a new TV? As you can see, Pexels offers a ton of different videos for you to download. I typed in TV and there are 312 videos for you to download. We simply could just download this to our computer, and we don't need to offer any attributing or anything like that. Jump back over to Pexels here, and then we're going to drag and drop our video right into the Canva canvas. All right, so as you can see here, I have dragged over the video here, and we can resize it. And then we can also add a call to action. We could say something like, is your TV screen, was your TV made in the 1930s? Click here to upgrade your TV now. Just add some text here, add some text at the bottom for a call to action. Upload 3 to 5 of these per day, and you can potentially start getting leads and sales relatively fast. The other cool thing is, as you can see, this is a 7.7 second video. If we wanted to, we could add more to it. Let's add this dog picture here. We could add this for effect, and now our video is 18.9 seconds. But this is an incredible opportunity. If we just click play here, you're gonna see that this is a video, and after 7 seconds, it changes into a dog. We could make it into an all black screen, or we could even change this to an image of the Fire Stick. That might be the best way to go if we are promoting a Fire Stick, but the dog is cute. Remember, it's vitally important that you have a blog, website, app, or YouTube channel so that you can get full approval to Amazon Associates. What I recommend, as I stated earlier, that you upload your TikTok videos right into YouTube, and you'll be double dipping, cross-platform, sharing videos, and getting twice the amount of traffic. Also, I recommend that you create a sites.google.com if you want to try this 100% for free, and send people to that page so that they can pick and choose the product that they want to purchase. Now that you know how to make $100 per day with TikTok and Amazon, click the first link in the description if you want my #1 recommended way to earn a full-time income online. When you click that link in the description, you'll watch a free video that'll show you how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Check out these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.